Parang palarong pambansa.
Take your mark.
This is seat 2 of event number 18. Swimming in lane 1, Stan Caris Gabriel of Assumption College. Lane 2, Usman Daniel Allison of Miriam College. Lane 3, Victor Adrina Rose of Assumption Antipolo. Lane 4, Monzon Erin Gwinnett of St. Stephen's High School. Lane 5, Tessie Ayesha Shareen of San Beda College, Alabang. Lane 6, Isip Kurom Raylay of St. Stephen's High School. Lane 7, Tolosa Daniel Olivia of Assumption College. Lane 8, Santos Milena Pierin of Assumption Antipolo.
Ano, banata na ni Danny doon. Oh, Danny! Kaya yan, Danny, kaya. Kaya. Second or third, kaya. Nice trio. Ang bilis talaga ng Victor, grabe. Kaya, Danny, kaya. Bilis, sobra.
Go Cards!
Grabe.
Siya na ngayon ang reading, di ba? Sabi ko.
Sobra.
Di ba kanina yung malalaki?
Grabe yung build. Grabe. Go, Danny!